Are you ready to level up your software development skills this spring? Introducing our new Spring Boot with Microservices course for developers of all levels. Learn how to architect and deploy scalable microservices with ease. This course covers everything from RESTful web services to building microservices from scratch. Our experienced instructors guide you through each step of the development process. You'll gain hands-on experience with the latest software development tools and technology. Join hundreds of satisfied students who have successfully completed our courses. Get started today and take your career to the next level. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting software development content.